Hello everyone, let's look at how to play this new version of Do You See Me by Yukachamps. In Do You See Me, you get a rule book and you get these 60 illustrated cards. Setup. Set up this game by shuffling all the cards and placing the pile face down in the center. To start playing, flip the top card and all players must now find the odd item or the odd one out in that card. The fastest player to correctly do so gets to keep the card and continue the game by flipping the next card. In this case, you can see that the car is the one which is the odd one out, as it is a land vehicle and all the others are air vehicle. The player who first and the fastest points out correctly that car is the odd one out gets to keep this card. Once the pile is over, players all count their cards and the player with the most cards at the end wins the game. The main highlight of this kids game are that kids learn about animals, fruits and modes of transport while enhancing their speed and observation skills. And that's how you play Do You See Me? This game is made by Yukachamps. If you want to check out more games by Yukachamps, do follow this link on the screen right now.